Hi, Mrs. Doe. I'd like to discuss the results of your students' end-of-course test.
Oh, I've been wondering how they did.
Well, it looks like only half of your students met proficiency. I had hoped they would do better than that.
Oh, I did too.
Can you give me some insight as to why your students did so poorly?
Well, I do think there were a lot of students with behavior issues, but I still thought they did better than that. We did have a new curriculum this year, which was a lot more difficult. I worked so hard and had great lessons, but it just doesn't seem like the kids want to learn.
Well, I think we need to get you some more training in your content area so this doesn't happen again. Hi, Mrs. Doe. I'd like to discuss the results of your students' end-of-course test.
Oh, I've been wondering how they did.
Well, it looks like only half of your students met proficiency. I had hoped they would do better than that.
I did too, but I'm not surprised. If you look here at this data, almost 80% of my students started out the year well below grade level. I use differentiation strategies to help students learn. I also use qualitative assessment and the county benchmark exams in order to gauge how my students were progressing quarterly. If you look at the students who were proficient on the end of course exam, you will see that most of them were below grade level at the start of the year. Many of the students who were not proficient still showed marked improvement throughout the year, so I feel that I was an effective teacher this year. Having the data to support your teaching allows you to establish credibility and to choose instructional strategies that will help your students learn better. This creates a winning situation for both teachers and students.